Then suddenly, just over Christmas, she'd been tired, she'd been a bit ill. She went to a friend's house, and I'm not very good at this. Sorry. Claire was bubbly, full of life. She lived life to the full, enjoyed so many different things, travelling around the world. Then at Christmas time, she went to a friend's house, and the next thing we knew, Len, we had a phone call.
She had a cardiac arrest at a friend's house. We had a phone call from a friend saying that Claire had collapsed. By the time we got there, which is only 5 minutes away, the paramedics were there already working on Claire. If you have a cardiac arrest, you're stopping the blood flowing to vital parts of your body. Every minute you delay CPR, your chances of surviving a cardiac arrest drop by 10%. And another thing that's very, very important is not being scared to get a hold of a defib. People think that they can really damage someone using a defib. Well, the bottom liner is the person is going to die unless you use a defib. A defib will save a person's life.
You can't harm anyone, or it's difficult to harm anyone. You can only help them. So don't worry about, oh God, I'm not doing it right.
Yeah, it's so important that people go and learn CPR. It's a very, very simple skill.